It's April 7th, 2024. It's been raining all day here. Pouring rain. We needed this rain so bad. But I just threw out some table scraps out to the chickens and they're pretty happy. This is their favorite thing. They'd rather eat this than cracked corn or oats or sunflower seeds. Anything. They prefer this. I thought they'd be a little wetter because I have the door open so they can go outside, but they must have stayed in most of the day. They don't like being wet. So they'll find a little scrap of something and then they'll take off running with it, kind of hide with it, so everybody leaves them alone and lets them eat in peace. And the rooster, if you notice, the roosters aren't really eating much. They kind of wait until the chickens are full and then they'll start. They just kind of let the roosters kind of let the hens have at it. Well, you have a wonderful day. Like and subscribe, and God bless.